accepted. I felt so loved when I am joining pageants, especially when those people clapping for us and cheering for us, and after that we will win, and after that it felt so different. Well, I am Mandy Madrigal, 24 years old, and I'm from Antipolo City. When I'm in grade school, my father asked me if I am a gay, if I am a transgender woman. At the first place, I'm scared because I'm the only boy child. We're six. And I answered my father, yes, I am a boy. And he repeated his question to me, and then I said, yes, I am a gay. And then I believe he accepted it with all of his heart. Hindi naman ako basta naging bakla lang. Bakla lang na, eto lang, na lumalalandi, sumasali lang ng pageant. I also help them financially and supporting them for what they need. That's why it's easily for them to accept me as a transgender woman. Naniniwala kasi ako na, oo, makakapagsinungaling ka sa ibang tao, pero ang sarili mo, hindi mo maloloko. Kaya, mas magandang tanggapin mo ang sarili mo na para matanggap ka ng ibang tao. And I was 13 or 14 years old. I have a friend who wants me to join pageant, and then I tried my luck, and then I won as first runner-up. That's my first pageant. Well, the biggest prize that I had received is, I guess, 20,000 pesos in province. In province. Kasi sa mga province, ang lalaki ng price talaga. Sobra. Kaya nga, nagta-travel ang mga transgender woman, mga gay, para sumali sa patimpalak doon dahil ang lalaki ng price. And aside from that, nakakapag-travel ka na sa iba't ibang lugar, and then pwede ka pang manalo ng ganung price. And then yung price, of course, it could help you for you to able to have a new gown, new dress na susutin mo sa pageant, and then pwede mo rin itulong sa iyong pamilya, pang suporta.
I joined the pageants for me to be able to uplift the Transpinay and being able to share my talent, beauty, and wit.
10 years ago, I was involved in a car accident, and that car accident led me to have an eye complication, which is a glaucoma, and that is the worst scenario in my life. So that is why I want to uplift and empower PWTs in our community.
To boost my confidence and
to inspire others and to be voice to others.
Naniniwala ako na ang tunay na queen ay may malaking puso.
Hindi naman kami talagang totally magkakasama sa araw-araw. So, yung Queen of Antipolo, ang naging way para maging close kami, magkaroon kami ng magagandang landing, tapos ito rin yung naging way para magkakakilala kami.
You have to magpundar ng gamit. Kasi kung ikaw ay magre-rent lang na magre-rent, lalo ka mapapagastos. You should provide yourself those things that you should have for joining pageant, like costume, swimsuit, casual, gown.
Maria, Eric.
Maraming tumulong sa akin ngayong taon na to, sa pageant na to. Dahil naniniwala sila na I am queen inside and out. Of course, kinakabahan, as always, kasi ang dami nag-i-expect sa'yo, lalo na pag marami nag-i-expect. Like last year, they expect me to be one of the winners of Queen of Antipolo 2017. And then, after the pageant, dapat ikaw yung nanalo, dapat nandun ka sa 5, dapat nandun ka. That's why my mind is naguluhan yung utak mo. Bakit? Bakit ako ang gusto nyo manalo? Bakit iba yung expectation niya sa akin? Doon ko na-realize na marami akong inspire na tao dahil marami nagtitiwala sa akin. Pilit kong tinatanggal ang kaba sa aking puso dahil gusto kong i-enjoy ang moment na to para magawa ko ng maayos.
May I have your attention, please? What is it?
Mandy Madrigal, 24, Barangay San Jose.
Marielle Guro, 25, Barangay Sali. She's 19 years old from Barangay Mandy. She wants to take some
This year's Queen of Antipolo 2018 Best in Evening Gown is Queen number... She's Queen number 7! The Magic Dance. What is your message to these young people who were bullied?
What will be the best message for that person? Don't mind them. Believe on yourself, because what matters most is you live your life to the fullest and you aim for your dreams.
If you will be given a chance to deliver a message to our children who are watching right now, what is your message to them?
Ang unang pumasok sa isipan ko na ibibigay kong mensahe sa mga kabataang naririto ngayon ay maging responsibilidad sa buhay, magkaroon ng respeto sa kapwa at higit sa lahat, punuin ang pagmamahal ang puso. Kung tayo ay tuturuan natin ang mga kabataan na rumispeto ng kapwa, darating ang araw na irespeto nila ang bawat LGBTQ member na makikita nila sa daan. Ang pagpupuno ng pagmamahal sa iyong damdamin, ang siya magbibigay sa iyo ng magandang inspirasyon upang maging mabuting tao. Kung ikaw ay meron itong tatlong ito, tiyak, magiging matagumpay kang tao at titingalain at irerespeto bilang isang tao.
A beauty contest is a celebration of beauty. It is an act of acknowledgement and giving honor to the beauty that God has given unto us. It is also an effective means to convey social issues and problems that needs our attention.
Nakakatulong ang pageant dahil we can voice out our feelings. May ipapaisip sila na, ayoko nga, tama nga, mali nga na hindi dapat natin silang husgahan.
Great princess is Queen number 7.
Meron pang mga susunod na pageant na mananalo pa, na tatanghalin kang reyna. The most important is, there's a lot of people who supported you in that pageant. Sa lahat ng patimpala, pakatandaan natin na may nananalo, may natatalo. Depende na lang yan sa araw mo. Kung ikaw ay nakatadahan ng manalo, ay mananalo ka. Kung nakatadahan ka matalo, ay matatalo ka talaga. Yun lang yun. Makaisipin mo na lang na meron pang ibang araw na darating na mas maganda pa sa'yo.